Exploring the depths, the meaning behind Into the Deep Valley. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a particularly intriguing phrase, into the deep valley. This expression can be quite poetic and rich in meaning, so let's embark on this journey together to uncover its layers and how you can use it in your own conversations or writings. Stay with us as we delve into its significance and variations. The phrase, into the deep valley, primarily describes a physical descent into a valley that is notably deep. Valleys are low areas of land between hills or mountains, often with a river running through them. When we talk about going into the deep valley, we're picturing a scenario where someone is moving down into a more secluded, perhaps more challenging, part of the terrain. This can be a literal description used by hikers, adventurers, or even in geographical descriptions. More interestingly, into the deep valley is often used metaphorically to describe a journey through difficult or dark times in life. In this context, the deep valley symbolizes a period of hardship, struggle, or sadness that one must navigate through. The imagery of descending into a valley captures the feeling of entering into a challenging phase, emphasizing the depth or severity of the situation. This phrase finds its strength in literature and speech, where it can convey deep emotional experiences or pivotal moments. Authors and speakers might use into the deep valley to illustrate a character's or individual's personal journey, highlighting moments of transformation, introspection, or even despair. It's a powerful tool for evoking empathy and understanding from the audience, allowing them to visualize and feel the depth of the narrative or argument being presented. When using into the deep valley in your own language, consider the context. For a literal description, it can add a sense of adventure or exploration to your stories. In a metaphorical sense, it's perfect for expressing the gravity of personal experiences or challenges. Here's a tip: pair it with vivid descriptions or personal reflections to deepen the impact of your message. And that brings us to the end of our journey into the deep valley. We hope this exploration has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase and inspired you to use it in both its literal and metaphorical senses. English is a language rich with imagery and emotion, and phrases like this one allow us to communicate our experiences and stories in profoundly beautiful ways. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!